Hi everybody, it's me Sissy back today with a Dollar Tree haul, and I have a new bag. Isn't this so cute? I didn't get this at Dollar Tree, I got this at TJ Maxx. It was only 99 cents. I just couldn't pass it up. You know I love a pup. So anyway, a new bag. I'm so excited. Doesn't take much to make me excited. But anyway, let's jump right into my Dollar Tree haul. First thing I have is this cute little fuzzy friend bunny, because you know Easter is coming, and I have a little nephew. He's not really my nephew, he's my cousin's child, but I thought I would take this little bunny and I'm going to personalize it with some HTV and put his name on it, some heat transfer vinyl. So I'm going to do your video and show you how you can do that. It's really simple. You don't have to have anything fancy. You can buy iron-on letters from the Dollar Tree, or if you have a Cricut, you can cut the letters out and put them on with a household iron or a Cricut Easy Press. And I'm going to show you how I do that. So y'all stay tuned for that video. That was really cute. And then I picked up a couple of the tablecloth. I have an idea for a wreath. I've done several wreaths using the tablecloth, so I'm going to do a honeybee, a bumblebee one. So I'm going to use these tablecloths. So that video will be coming up soon. And these are just the rectangular plastic table covers. They're 54 by 108 inches. So pick those up, and nothing really super exciting at Dollar Tree. My Dollar Trees have been very limited. They're changing over to, some things are $1.25 now, and some of them are changing over to being a Dollar Tree Plus. My little town, we have 3 Dollar Trees. One is horrible, one is good, and one is a little bit better. But generally I can find what I'm looking for if I go to all 3. But this time they didn't have any of the cool stuff I've been seeing other people haul. I'm sorry about the reflection. I picked up a 11 by 14 Special Moments photo frame. This is for, I'm trying to, my ring light. Y'all got a new light, so maybe y'all can see me better. But this is for a DIY that's coming up. I have all these plans, y'all. I hope I get them all done. Stay healthy. I got the Sure Fresh 9 bags, the storage, the gallon size bags. I'll use these with my meal prep, so I love to get those from there. And just my household paper towels, the big, what's this, the big roll, 100 sheets. And you can, you know, it's got the perforation, so you can do, if you only need a half of one, you can tear off a half one. I got me 2 rolls of those. Set them behind me here. And I picked up one lonely little floral. I just loved it. I thought it was so cute hanging down like that. They had them in some different colors, but I'm going to be doing a little arrangement with some succulents, and I thought this would look good in there with the succulents. So I picked that up. And they had my favorite Nestle Splash Lemon Water, 0 calories, no sugars. I love to take this, and when I make a pitcher of tea, just put a bottle of this in there, and it gives your tea a really nice lemony tea flavor. Not too much, just enough. So I love to add that to my tea. And then let me clean my spot off here, so I can tip my bag over and get to the stuff. I found this. It's with the Valentine's stuff. I guess this would make a cute little Valentine's gift if you were doing a gift basket. But this is the Be Pure Lip Scrub and the Lip Scrubber Brush. So I've got terrible chapped lips from where I've been sick and had to breathe through my mouth and, you know, dry my lips out, and having a fever. My lips were really really dry and kind of scabby. So I thought, not scabby, but scaly. So I thought I would try that. And I did pick up some of the Blistex Medicated Berry Balm. I love that stuff. I always have chapstick and lip gloss and things in my desk or in my purse. Excuse me if I sniffle, y'all. I do still have the sniffles. I got a Wet n Wild First Gel Lip Liner. And I don't know what color it is, but we're going to give that a try for $1. And then I got the Milani Kaleidoscope lip gloss. But now that I look at it, it's like it's very glittery, so I don't know if I can wear glitter lip gloss, but we'll try it. I got 2 cute little bags, which are Greenbrier products, I'm sure. Yeah, it's so cute. Live, Love, Lash. I thought that was adorable. And then Yay, Yay, Yeah, or Yay, Yay, Yay. So it's really cute. And I have a friend who says whatever, whatever. So I thought on the back I'm going to put whatever, whatever with the iron-on vinyl. And when I do the bunny, I'll show y'all how I do that too. Then I picked up some of the Chase Home Value Furniture Polish Lemon Scent and the Chase Home Value Heavy Duty All-Purpose Cleaner. So this is really good to clean your ceramic, tile, metal, and glass. I hate to buy just glass cleaner, so this says you can use it on different things, so I'm going to try that out. I haven't ever used this one. I've had a bunch of spray bottles and the sprayers don't work and I get aggravated, so I thought I'd try an aerosol. Then I found 2 more of the little notepads, but still haven't found the one with the bee on it that I'm looking for. But it's the list pad booklet. This is a Greenbrier, but it has the little stickies on the inside and a notepad. And this says brand new day and make today great. I'm going to do those for a little Valentine's gifts, so I don't give so much candy. And then I picked up the Modest Basics Fresh Scent and Sheer Lavender, the Feminine Cleansing Wipes. I love to keep these in my bathroom at work and my bathroom at home, just when you want to be a little fresher. I love them. They smell really good. And then I picked up the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula with Vitamin E, Cocoa Butter and Biotin 2-Step Hair Mask. My hair's been feeling a little dry lately, so I thought I would try these. And I picked up 2 of them. I've used some Palmer products before, and they seem to work pretty good. So I thought I would give these a try and see how they did on my hair. And I picked up another lip gloss. I've used this before. I really love this. It's the Vaseline Lip Therapy Rosy Lips. But it does have petroleum jelly in it, but it feels so good on your lips. It's very soothing. I don't know if it helps your lips stay moist or helps once they're chapped, but it does feel very soothing when you put it on. So, and then I picked up 2 blues. I got the liquid adhesive from Crafter Square for embellishments, wood, plastic, leather, paper, cardboard, and trims. So I picked up a little bottle of that. And then I got the Aleene's Tacky Glue, the original. This is good glue. I love to use it when I'm crafting. It's good for all kinds of things. And just a couple more things in my bag and we'll be done. I got the self-adhesive hooks. Holds up to 1 pound. I'm trying to organize some keys at work, so I thought this would be good to just hang a little key on. And then I picked up the Jot markers and some pen holders. I'm going to try to see if I can make these work in my Cricut. I saw a video where a girl did a hack. She used these and these and made them work in your Cricut, so they're a lot less expensive than the pens that are made for the Cricut. So I'm going to give those a try, and if they work, I'll let you know. But anyway, y'all, that's my Dollar Tree haul. Sorry that I didn't get the haul up Friday, but I was a little under the weather over the weekend, but I'm feeling much better today. So hopefully I'll get all my videos done and get back on track. But anyway, I'll see you next time. Remember, if Sissy can do it, you can do it too. Bye, y'all.